Hello, student. Can see or not? Hello. Please type in your chat room. You can see me or not? Hello. Hi, 4A1 and 4A2 student. Okay, Joey answer me. They can see me. Okay, so that means I want to start my lesson. Okay, welcome Elaine. Okay, Jala. Okay, Adrian. Okay, so I want to start. Okay, Joey say can. Okay, so we start now. I will share my the window here. So hopefully you take out your notes. The note you need to take out. Then after that, the note should be the summative. Hopefully you are finished because the other day they asked me about how to do. Okay, so I want to start with I go to cancel this one first. Okay, this one. Hi. Okay, Amanda here already. Okay, Alicia, Noreen, Joey. Okay, okay. This one, who is that? So some more. Joey is here. Noreen. Okay, so I start my lesson. I show my screen first. Okay, maybe the line problem. So that means you see the YouTube maybe slow a little bit lah. Okay, you can see my screen or not? Okay, I share my PowerPoint. Okay, Eddie Yao also come already. Okay, later I got ask a question. When I ask the question, so please you just answer me in the chat room lah. Okay, I will slideshow. So we start soon. Okay, anything, Dixon? Wait, I want to see Dixon what to do first. Wait, I'm going to see Dixon. Okay. Okay, the one who using the Google Classroom, please, you need to using your MO email. If you're using your Gmail, that means you cannot enter. Okay, so I want to start my lesson. So the Google Classroom is later lah. If you not yet do, you later you follow my class first. Okay, so now I will start my lesson. Okay, so we go through. Okay, first one, we go to Summative for the practice. There's a chapter 11. Okay, that's force and also the motion. So that means I want to discuss about the answer. So anybody can respond me. You can see my screen or not? Can see my screen or not? Wenshuan, can you answer me? Wenshuan, 482, Wenshuan, can you answer me? Can see my screen? Okay, at least say okay. Okay, yes. Okay, so yes, that means I can continue. Okay, continue my presentation. Okay, thank you for your response. Okay, so from here, I continue to the first question. Okay, let's see the first question. That one is, okay, I highlight first. Okay, that one is ask me to ride his bicycle to the north for 24 kilometer. Okay, so this one is a diagram. Can you see the diagram? This one is a 24 kilometer. North is normally is up. go up. So the arrow, they show up. Okay, after that, they say they move to the north for 24 kilometers. Then they go to the west. Okay, west is the left-hand side. Left-hand side, they go 12 kilometers or so. Finally, they go to the south. South is go downwards. So this one is a total distance for Asmir to travel. So after that, finally, they come until south 12 kilometers, they will stop. Okay, they're using how long? 2 hours. Okay, because of this one question, they're using kilometer and also hours. So kilometer and hours actually is a one pair of the unit. Okay, we no need to change anything, just using the kilometer and hours. Now we're going to see the question. Okay, what is the distance traveled by Asmail? So anybody here can answer me. You just type inside your chat room so I can see. Okay, anybody? Okay, this one is John always. Okay, just answer me the answer. Just type in the chat room. 48 kilometer. Okay, we're going to see. Is it 48 kilometer? Okay, some answer already. Who is that? Amiro. Okay, Amiro, answer me 48 kilometers. Okay, I want to show the answer. So the answer is here. Okay, correct. That's a 48 kilometer because distance we just plus only. We don't need to do any calculation. Okay, so we continue to the next one. Okay, the next one, the question is the same, but now the second one, the B, they ask about displacement. Okay, displacement, that means displacement, there's a shortcut. That means we straightforward from the final point. This one is a final point. This one is a starting point. We just draw one of the line. That one is a shortcut. So after that, we go and see what is the distance. Okay, I draw first. Okay, after I draw, can you see one of the triangle? This one triangle, actually, we can do the theorem by Hercules using your mathematics. So this one is a 12 kilometer. This one is how many kilometer? This one using the 24 minus 12. So suppose also 12 kilometer. So we need to count about this longest distance. So we're using the theorem by Hercules. Okay, the formula should be, you take the 12, go to square. Then you plus another 12, you go to square. Then we need to square root. Then we find the answer. So anybody here also can answer me. You just type there. I want to check, is it correct or not? Okay, welcome. Dixon come in already. Okay, what's your answer for this one question? Okay, I'm waiting for your answer. Okay, I will pin your answer if you answer there. Okay, anybody? Just calculate only. Jiala, can you answer me? You just type there. Okay. Okay, Adib come in already. Joey. Okay. Hui Jun, the answer me 16.97. Okay, I pin first. I show everybody. Okay, the answer 16.97. Okay, Jala also same 16.97. Okay, so we go and check. Okay, 16.97 kilometer is correct, but you forget to mention where is the location. Okay, the location, because this one is a displacement, you need to mention about direction. So how we know there's a northwest? Okay, this one I told you up should be the north. Then left-hand side is a west, is it? So they're at the middle. So at the middle, we just mentioned there's a northwest. So when you just mention 16.97, so you still need to add about the direction. That's a northwest. Okay, so this one should be the answer. Okay, Miro. Okay, so this one is a Jala answer. So Jala, better you're going to add the explanation for the direction. What's that? Adib, please concentrate the lesson. Don't talk nonsense, okay? Okay, so now we go to the next one. Okay, the question C. Determine the Asmir average speed. So average speed, then we know average must be the total distance over the total time. So the total distance here, okay, we're going to see the total distance. Because just now we found already there's a 48. So we apply the formula 48 over 2. 2 is a 2 hour. So anybody can answer me? Okay, what is the speed for this one question? Okay, please answer 48 over 2. So just wait your answer, Okay, 24 kilometer per hour. So they're using kilometer, then we continue kilometer lah, We don't change, become the meter second. Unless they're using meter, then your hour need to change. So this one is a Jala answer. So we go to check, Okay, the Jala answer is 24. So we're going to check. Okay, that's a 24 kilometer per hour. Okay, so this one should be correct. So you can mark your answer there. Okay, then we go to the second question. I think this one got D, is it? We're going to check. Okay, they still got the same question. They got D. Okay, D you need to calculate. You need to calculate the average velocity of the mean the displacement. So if they're using velocity, then we understood. Velocity, then we must using the displacement. Okay, so from here, displacement just now is a 16.97. Okay, the time should be the same, 2 hours. Okay, press your answer, please. Okay, Ong Jian Yun come in. Okay, press answer. Show me the answer. Okay, this one is a velocity. So anybody can type there. Then I will pin your answer here. Okay, enter already. Africa also enter. Okay, we got answer from Dorothy. 8.485. We're going to check. Okay, I pin the answer first. Let everybody can see it. 8.485. Okay, Chu also same. Amiro also same. Okay, 8.485. But no unit. Dorothy, what's a unit? Must have the unit. Okay, we check first. Okay, some got unit one. Okay, this one. Jala got unit. Okay, is it the unit is correct? This one is a velocity, Jala. Okay, why you got square one? Okay, not hour square. Okay, the answer must be wrong. So the correct answer here, 1, not 2. 8.485. If you answer 8.49 is okay. Then kilometer per hour. Okay, not 2. Yes, Elaine, you are correct. Okay, so we go to the next part. Okay, the next part is a question number 2. Okay, question number 2, there's a no drawing. So you need to understand the question you draw by yourself. Okay, here I show you the drawing. Okay, the Hemi, they walk to the north for 8 meter. Okay, 8 meter means go up, north. After that, they go to the east. East also 8 meter, they go to the right-hand side. Okay, after that, the Hemi, they take 5 minutes to complete his journey. So from the north, they go to the east, they're using 5 minutes. Okay, so from here, we see first question what they want. Okay, what is the distance of his motion? I think this one no problem. Everybody also know the answer. What is the distance? So please answer here. Okay, just time who fast. Just I read your answer. Okay, distance, total distance, 16 meter. Okay, from Africa. Okay, we're going to check. So Africa, so I pin your answer here. Everybody can see. Okay, 60 meter. So we check. Okay, that's a correct. We just add only because there's a distance. Okay, then we go to the following. Okay, what is the displacement of this one motion? So again, displacement means you from the original, then after that you go to the final. So we draw the line first. Okay, we draw the line. So this one is my shortcut. So how to do this question? We're still using the same one, theorem by Pythagoras. Okay, again, now you show me again. X squared plus x squared, then we need to square root. What is your answer? Okay, faster to type it. We're going to check which one should be correct for this question. Okay, anybody? Okay, 11.31. Okay, Ashley Lim answer already. So we're going to check they got direction some more. They answer to the northeast. Okay, we're going to check is it correct or not. Okay, everybody can see 13.31 meter to the northeast. Okay, so the answer is yes, that's exactly correct. Okay, thank you, Ashley. So we go to the next part. Make sure you know how to answer this kind of the question. Okay, then the following the same question also. Then we go to the part C. Okay, we need to determine the velocity attained by the helmet. Okay, velocity means we're using the displacement over the time. Okay, one thing I want to remind you, can you see this one is a meter? This one is a minutes. Meter and minute, we cannot join together become the unit. Okay, the SI unit we're using is a meter second. So that means the minute later you need to convert become the second. Okay, so from here I need to find the velocity. So I take just now the displacement. Okay, 11.31. I over the time. The time now 5 minutes you need to convert become second. So you times 60. So anybody here again rush to give me the answer for this question velocity. Okay, anybody? So I just wait. Okay, wait until you type for me what's the answer. Okay, we got Hui Jun 0.038. Okay, this one, the other one only. Leong also same. Okay, so I pin the answer. Wait lah. Just low a little bit from here. I cannot see. Okay. So, okay. This one, Charlotte one. Okay, I pin already. Charlotte is a 0.038 meter per second. Okay, we check. Okay, that's a correct. 0.038. Okay, for the student, I never pin, but you got right correct answer. That means you also correct. Okay, because so many answer here. But the student, every time to show the answer is the same person. How about the others? Okay, Vicky. Why the Vicky's come here? Okay, we go to the next one. Okay, based on this one's a question 3 already. Okay, figure 2, there's a graph that show about the motion of the car. Okay. Okay, thank you, Cikgu Hasnita. Okay, so from here, we're going to see this one question. They show the graph, there's a VT graph. Okay, from the graph, they want to find out what is the represent by acceleration. Okay, so from here, this one VT graph, how to find acceleration? Okay, we find it by using the either gradient, either area under the graph. So the student, how many here can answer me? We using gradient or we using the area to find the acceleration? Okay, please type here. I also want to check your answer. Okay, anybody can answer me? For the question 3A, represent the acceleration from this graph. Okay, gradient of the graph. Okay, from Jala, gradient of the graph. Okay, so the others? Okay, gradient, Leong Yu Cheng also gradient. Just Miss Tan also gradient. Okay, so we just show the answer. Okay, I pin the answer for Leong. So everybody can check. Wait, okay, Leong. Leong give the answer is a gradient. So I show here. Yes, there's a gradient. Okay, if you want full sentence, you just answer gradient of the VT graph. Okay, so this one is the answer from Leong. Thank you. Okay, then we need to go to the following one. Okay, now B. What is the acceleration of the car from the 0 to the 5 second? Okay, they just want to see this part only. 0 to 5, what is the acceleration? Because just now you say you find gradient, is it? So we're using the gradient formula. Okay, gradient formula is a y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. So I show the answer already. Okay, straightforward, I show you the answer. 20 is the top minus 0. Then over 5 minus 0. So the answer is a 4 ms negative 2. Okay, make sure you know there's a unit for acceleration. There's a power of negative 2. Okay, so anybody here got any question you want to ask me, then I can answer you. Okay, if not, I just continue. Okay, welcome, Jisnu, come in already. Okay, if no, okay, nobody type, so I just continue for the next one. Okay, question 3 also. Then the C is determine the total displacement of the car. So anybody can tell me total displacement of the car, you want to find area or gradient? Okay, just type there, you want to find area or you want to find gradient? Okay, I'm waiting your answer. Okay, who's one just type, I just pin your answer show here. Okay, area Amanda. So Amanda is the first one to type it. So I wait. Okay, Amanda. So the Amanda answer, they show there's an area. Area under the VT graph. Okay, Jasmine Tan. They give me the full answer. Okay, so from here I show the answer. Suppose it's an area. But this one question never asked. They ask you total displacement. So another question again. Can you count for me? Total displacement is how many? For the overall journey. Okay, Raj, type your answer for overall journey total displacement. That means you need to find the whole area under the graph. Okay, first come, first serve. So I just pin your answer here. So anybody? Okay, we got Leong. Leong Yicheng. Leong Yicheng is the first one. Amanda follow. Hu Jun. Okay, Hui Jun also same. So the answer from here, they show there's a 450. Okay, we check. Okay, area under the graph. That's correct. Okay, then we continue to see. Okay, this one is a calculation. Okay, displacement equal. This one is a trapezium. So you want to count one by one also can. You separate by 2 triangle, 1 rectangular also can. If not, you can using the formula trapezium. Okay, A plus B multiply the height. That's a 450 meter. Okay, Q also correct. That's a 450. Okay, so we continue to the next question. Okay, question number 4. Okay, question number 4, they show about the motion of the object P and also the Q from the graph. So that are released simultaneously. So from here, we check the graph first. Okay, P, they until 20 velocity when there's a 8 second. But you see the Q. Q, the gradient should be lower than the P because they cannot achieve. They until achieve 20 velocity, they already is a 16. Time taken become longer. So we're going to see the question. Based on the gradient of the graph P and also, sorry, this one should be Q. P and also the Q. Which one the graph show the higher value of the acceleration of the 6 second? Explain your answer. Okay, anybody can show me P or Q? Highest gradient. Highest gradient. Okay, P or Q, highest gradient. You can see the graph. You just see the stiffness. If you're more stiff, that means the gradient should be highest. Okay, Jalo answer, P. Okay, the others? The others? Got anybody want to say about Q? Okay, Jalo is a P. So anybody, okay, Q also say P. Okay, you need to give me the reason, You just only say P because the question say explain your answer. Okay, explain your answer. How your explanation? How your explanation? Okay, highest value of the acceleration for the 6. Okay, explanation, nobody answer me already. Okay, you want to try about the explanation? Okay, why you say that one is highest? P is greater than Q. Yeah, correct. But they want no explanation because they ask you which one is the highest. Then I know P already. Then you must relate the gradient and also acceleration. Okay, so from here I show the answer lah. Let everybody can see. Okay, graph P because the gradient is greater compared to Q. That's correct. The first one. Okay, value of the gradient represent the value of the acceleration. Okay, you just mentioned about the P is the highest gradient, okay, compared to the Q. But you need to explain why you say like this. Because the gradient actually there's a acceleration. So that means you need to explain like this. Okay, related the gradient and also the acceleration. Okay, so okay, this question, anybody want to comment, want to ask something about this question? So I just wait for you. You want to type, then you just type something in your chat room. Okay, no. So I continue to the next one. Okay, the next one. Okay, now you want to determine the gradient of the P. Okay, from the 0 to the x second. P only, we want to see the Q. From the 0 to x second. So you want to find gradient. So anybody can give me the answer for gradient? Okay, faster. So I just wait your answer for question B. Okay, just missed time. 2.5 ms -2. Okay, the others? Got any different answer? Okay, Elaine also correct. Also same. Hui Jun also same. Okay, so I pin the answer first. Okay, wait. Afika, Jocelyn also said. Okay, Josephine also 2.5. Okay, so I pin the first one. Okay, we check. Okay, the answer should be 2.5. The unit is a ms -2. Okay, so this one, the answer is here. So you're going to check. Jasmine Tan give the answer 2.5. So the others, okay, the others also give the same answer. Okay, the unit make sure that's correct because the gradient now is a acceleration. Okay, then we go to the next part. Okay, question 5. Okay, follow your textbook one. This one question. Okay, figure 4. They show about the ticker tape strip of the 16 cm in length. Okay, now this time the two consecutive dot is a 0.02 second. Okay, make sure you know what means of this 0.02 second. There's a one tick. That means dot between dot. The time taken is 0.02 second. Okay, determine the velocity of the ticker tape strip. Okay, you need to determine the velocity. So that means you know the distance already, 16 cm. But the time taken, you need to count by yourself. Okay, you need to know here got how many ticks. So if follow here, we just count lah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got 10 ticks here. So we got 10 ticks here means you need to using the 10 multiply 0.02. Wow, so fast. Jala give me the answer already, 18 cm per second. Okay, we check. Okay, we check is it correct or not. Okay, so the answer should be here. Okay, 16 over 0.2. Make sure you take the 10, multiply with the 0.02. Okay, Yuki also correct. Afika also correct. Okay, so the answer is 80 cm per second. Okay, so I already pinned the answer for Yuki. So everybody, you can check here. If you cannot see the chat room, you see the screen. That's a 18 cm per second. Okay, now we go B. B is you need to determine the acceleration of the thicker tape strip. Explain your answer. Okay, we need to determine. So from here, how to count the acceleration of the thicker tape? Determine the acceleration. So from here, your answer. Okay, what's the acceleration? Anybody can show me the answer? Determine the acceleration. Okay, can do the calculation or not for this question? Okay, I give you the hints. The hint is you see every dot, the space almost the same. Okay, Jala, give me 0. Others? Comment? Are you sure there's a 0? Anybody can give me the another answer? Or you got 0 if you got another one, if not 0 lah. So only Jala. The rest? Kalin is here or not? Kalin got answer? Okay, Jala give me 0. Nobody answer. Only Jala. Okay, the hint just now I told you, because every distance almost the same. Every distance almost the same, the reason, the conclusion, we can say velocity is constant. Okay, velocity is a constant. That means we don't have any acceleration. So we just answer, we don't have any acceleration means there's a 0. Okay, although you write 0, you write 0, the calculation 0, the number, you also need to using the unit. So the unit is a 0 as -1. Okay, if you write by word, ZERO, that means you no need to show about unit. Okay, then reason why you say there's a 0, then we need to explain. This is because the velocity, sorry, this one wrong, like the typing. Because of the velocity of the thicker tape, not PF, there's a OF, of the thicker tape strip is constant. Okay, so this one is an explanation. Okay, Jala, not answer only, you need to explain. So this one is a reason why we write the answer is a 0. Okay, then we continue the next part. Okay, question 6. Okay, there the figure 5, they show the wooden block. They got P and also the Q. That's a different size. Okay, I hide already. There's a different size, but they have the same mass. Okay, the mass is the same. So give the meaning of inertia. So anybody can type very fast. Then you just show me what's the meaning of inertia. Okay, anybody want to answer? Okay, this one actually they can find from your textbook, is it? The inertial definition. So the key word I want to see is a tendency. Okay, the tendency for the object to change the original state. Okay, the original state, either you are rest, either you are moving. That one we call inertia. Okay, so the answer is here. Inertia, that's a natural tendency of the object. Okay, they want to resist any changes in its original state. So whether there's a rest or whether there's an in motion. So this one we call it as an inertia. Okay, B, wooden block has a larger inertia. Explain your answer. So anybody can tell me. Okay, which one wooden block has larger inertia? Okay, anybody just type here. Okay, actually give me already. Both wooden blocks have the same inertia because their masses are the same. Okay, this one answer. Okay, they give me inertia. Both also same because there's a mass is the same. Okay, so I pin the answer here. Same. Okay, suppose it's the same. Both inertia must be the same. Okay, because the mass is the same. So you need to explain. So this one's the answer from Ashley. Okay. So both wooden blocks have the same inertia because their masses are the same. Okay, so this one is the answer. If you want to explain. Okay, so understand, so we can go to the next part. Okay, state the Newton first law of the motion. Okay, this one should be almost same like the definition of the inertia. So we go and see the answer. I straightforward give you answer. Okay, Newton first law of the motion state an object tends to remain its original state. Okay, either they are rest or either they are in motion. So you have me to add one more behind. No external forces act on it. So this one is a key word if you want to explain the Newton first law. Okay, you just explain in front. In front same like the inertia. So you just add one more about the behind there. If the situation is no external force acting on the object. Okay, so this one is a Newton first law. Okay, so we continue to the next part. Is it very fast? Anybody can respond me? Is it very fast? Okay, is it very fast or not? My lesson, you can continue, you can follow or not? No. No means what? No fast or cannot follow. Okay, no means okay. Still okay lah. Can follow lah. Can follow Okay, give me the emoji okay or not? Can follow. Okay, good, Elaine. So now I go to question number 7. Figure shape that shows about the coin and also the feather. They're falling simultaneously inside the two transparent cylinder tube. Okay, so from here we got R and also the S. Okay, cylinder tube R is contain about A. Okay, the cylinder tube S is vacuum. So the word vacuum, I zoom already. So from here, the first one, we got to answer what means by free fall. Okay, I just wait you to answer me. What's the keyword when I say free fall? Okay, type for me, keyword. That means the object fall because of the, okay, because of the, so waiting for your answer, just type, give me the answer. Free fall because of the 9.81, I do want the answer. Yes, Elaine is correct. Muhammad Fidaus, I do want the value. I said because of the, okay, who to put it, what to be pulled the object to come down. So the answer should be gravitational force. So the answer from Elaine is correct, gravitational force. If the question asks what is the gravitational force value, that means you can, gravitational acceleration, then you can answer 9.81. Okay, the motion of the object is affected only by gravitational force. Okay, correct? So from here, the answer. Okay, the motion of an object, okay, that's affected only by the gravitational force. That means we just got gravitational force, okay, to pull the object. Okay, so this one is the answer. Okay, good. Okay, Minya also correct. Gravitational force. Why gravitational force is force, not fall. Okay, then we go to the next part. Okay, now we need to compare. Compare the time taken for the coin and also the feather to fall. Okay, inside the cylinder R and also S. Explain your answer. Okay, first one, we go and see the R first lah. Okay, from the R, which one the time taken shorter when they reach to the bottom? Can anybody answer? From tube R, coin and feather, which one will reach to the ground first? So you see the diagram, you know already lah. Then should be the coin. Okay, the coin come down first. So that means the time taken for the coin must be short. Okay. Okay, how about the tube S? Tube S. Okay, you see the tube S. We find it both also the time taken to fall to the bottom should be the same. Okay, both also said simultaneously to fall down. Then you need to explain why like this. Okay, anybody can answer me why. Why the coin is faster in tube R, then why both is the same time to reach at the tube S. Okay, you just type here. I wait your answer to explain this situation. Okay. Okay, you type your answer, coin. I know. We know the coin. So you just type why. Why the coin is faster in tube R. Then at the S, both also same. Okay, explain your answer. Okay, R have A resistance. Okay, tube R is got A resistance. The S is, so you need to answer both lah, not R only. So your answer R have the A resistance. Then whereas the tube S is vacuum. So both you also need to mention, not only mention one. Okay, I show the answer from the whole. Okay, correct. R have A resistance, S is vacuum. Okay, so from here the answer. Okay, this one question 3 marks. Okay, they never show lah, but you need to explain more. So the first one is the time taken for the coin to fall is shortened than the feather in the cylinder tube R. Okay, first one we compare. We compare first. Okay, then you compare another tube. In the cylinder tube S, both objects, okay, will fall at the same, okay, at the same time and also reach at the bottom also same time. Then your last one, you go to explain. Okay, because the cylinder tube R has a resistance, or you say have a S. Okay, how about the cylinder tube S? There's a vacuum. So you need to differentiate. One tube is a air resistant, another tube is a vacuum. So air resistant, they will affect the light object because the feather is lighter. So when they go to the vacuum, that means we don't have any air resistance, both also pulling by the gravitational force, so they will come down simultaneously. Okay, so now we go to the next part. Okay, C, create a suitable conclusion for this activity. Okay, what's the conclusion you can mention here? Okay, what's the conclusion? Okay, I give you the hints. Conclusion must together with the phenomena. This phenomena is a free fall. Okay, you join the sentence. Okay, join the just now, the time taken, or you say the vacuum. Okay, you join together with the free fall. Okay, anybody can type here? Okay, waiting for your answer. Okay, what's the conclusion you can make it? Okay. Anybody? Okay, nobody answer. Okay, I just show. Okay, this one is the conclusion. We can make it related with the free fall. An object will free fall if there's a no air resistance at on it. Okay, so this one is a conclusion now. That means we conclude just now comparison about the time and also air resistance. So we will make one conclusion. The object will free fall. This situation is a free fall, but when the situation is no air resistance, or you can say the object is free fall, but in the situation of vacuum. Okay, so this one is a question 7 for the C. Okay, I think this one is not in your exercise because summative practice we need to discuss. We still got the time. Now it's a 12, 15 only. So I still can discuss with you. Okay, you can see the question here. Okay, the figure they show about the path of the car from the P to S. Okay, P go to Q, then go down R, then go to S. What is the displacement of the car? So anybody just type to show me. Okay, I zoom. Okay, this one is a diagram. From the P, go to the Q, go to the R, and go to the S. Okay, then you tell me what is the displacement of the car. Okay, just type the answer. Okay, anybody? Okay, I show you the line first. Okay, this one. Okay, Ong Ja Yun answer me. You see, there's a donkey. Are you sure there's a donkey? Okay, I show the line already. P to S. This one is a shortcut. So if P to S is a shortcut, we show another line. Okay, I draw the triangle. This one should be 3 kilometers, is it? So this one become how many kilometers? This one become 4. Okay, this one 4, this one 3, this one should be 3. This one is a 4, this one is a 3. Okay, Ashley, they give me the answer is a A. So anybody agree or not? The answer is a A. Okay, Amanda also say A. Okay, Jia Yun also A. Okay, Xing Hui also A. Okay, we go to chat. Okay, we go to chat. So from here, okay, we show the calculation already. The 4 square means P go to this part. That's a 4 square. This one is a 3 square. Then we go to square root. Then we find the answer. There's a 5 kilometer. Okay, so the answer is correct. Okay, then we go to the next question. Okay, answer is A. So we go to the next one. Okay, this one. Question 9. Okay, question 9, they show about the coin and also the chicken feather in free fall inside the vacuum container. Vacuum, Okay, which one physical quantity is a fix? Okay, please answer now. Okay, which one is a fix? Okay, anybody? Okay, just type your answer in the chat room. A, B, C, D. Which one is fixed? When they just free fall in the vacuum. Okay, are you here? Please type here. Anybody? Okay, which one physical quantity is a fix? Hello? Okay, anyone? Okay, Chala answer is C. Momentum. Okay, got others? Nurin is a B. Acceleration. Okay, some more? Got others or not? Okay, although your friend just answer already, you still can answer. They just give your comments lah. Just answer which one you want. Okay, just got 2 only. Answer me. Okay, I tell again. This one is a free fall. Okay, Leon also B. This one is a free fall. Free fall is fall because of the gravitational force, is it? So just now you told me the gravitational is a 9.81. 9.81 is always the fix. So that one is what? That one is a gravitational acceleration. So Jala, the answer should be gravitational acceleration. So from here, the answer is B. Okay, the Mingyao answer is correct. That's a B. Okay, so I show the answer should be B. Okay, remember there's an acceleration always the same. Okay, then we go to the next one. Okay, question 11. Okay, there's a figure below. They show two metal sphere. There's a Y and also the Z. The following statement is a true when the Y and Z are free fall. So we go to answer. Which one should be correct? Both mass is a different. One is 2 kg, one is 1 kg, but both is the same shape. Okay, metal also. So from here, the velocity y and z are the same. The acceleration is the same. Momentum and weight. So anybody can give me the answer for question 11? C. Okay, Edward, give me the answer is a C. Okay, how come there's a C? Momentum. Momentum is related with velocity. Okay, any others? Any others answer when the two object is free fall? Okay, when it just fall down, what should be the same? This question just related with the just now. Noreen also C. How come it's momentum? Momentum must related with the mass. The mass also different already, what? Okay, B. Okay, Leong give me B. Jasmine also B. So others? Anybody want to give me others? B also. Noreen also B. Okay, Chiu Zixin also B. Okay, so I want to show the answer. Okay, the others, Jalebi. Okay, the answer is B. Okay, you all is correct. So make sure you know when free fall must related with the acceleration. Okay, then we go to the next part. Okay, the next part is okay, question 12. Okay, there's a figure that show about a coin, marble, and the leaf that release simultaneously inside the vacuum cylinder. Okay, vacuum. So which one should be true? Okay, first one A, all object fall in the float in the cylinder. They cannot float, they must fall, is it? All the object reach at the bottom simultaneously. The marble will reach bottom faster than the coin. The dry leaf will reach the bottom is the fastest. Okay, so please answer. Okay, the answer B already. Many got answer B already. Okay, Leon also B. So after that, Nurin also B. Okay, Hui Jun also B. Okay, so I show the answer here. Okay, the answer is B. Okay, the answer is B. Okay, so from here, because there's a vacuum, so three objects must fall down with the time taken is the same. Okay, they must at the same position. Okay, then we go to the question next. Okay, 13. Okay, question 13, they show the graph. Which one is a uniform acceleration? Uniform acceleration. So you can type your answer now. Okay, which one graph they show uniform acceleration? Okay, uniform acceleration means there's a flat. A, I think the A is wrong. The A is velocity graph. Chala, C, be careful. This one is a velocity. I want to find acceleration. If you say A, that means this one acceleration becomes 0 already. Wait, June, be careful. Leon, that's a D. Okay, Nurin, A is wrong already. Please change your answer. I want uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration. Okay, uniform acceleration means when you draw the acceleration graph, there should be flat. That one called uniform acceleration. Okay, so the answer from here and the choose is Ong Jayun answer. Okay, the answer from the Ong there should be the D. Mingya also D. Just means also D. Okay, then I show the answer. Okay, the answer is D. Okay, okay. So this one is correct. Make sure you know the VT graph and AT graph. There's the differences. Don't straightforward. Never see the question straightforward. You choose A. Okay, question 14. Okay, we left 10 minutes only. We go question 14. So we answer this one. Okay, the figure show about the situation in which the period of the rider that's true forward. Okay, when the motorcycle they start to accelerate. What's the physics concept indicated by the motion of this one rider? Okay, anybody answer? Okay, you see the diagram, you know already. This one is what concept? Yes, Jasmine asked me there's a A. Okay, Leon also A. Hui Jun also A. Why the answer person almost the same? Got the others or not? The others cannot type. Okay, Ong also A. Got others or not? Choose the scene. Then the others just silent. Don't to type. Okay, Jala again, Dorothy, there's a A. So I want to find the new people. The new name. They want to pin the name. Okay, Chanjilam. Okay, Chanjilam answer is A. So I pin. So from here, the Chanjilam answer, they give the answer, there's a inertia. So we go to check, is it correct or not? Okay, answer from Jilam. Okay, the answer is A. Okay, there's a A, there's an inertia. So that's why they cannot emergency stop. So they continue to move. That's why they thrown forward. Okay, then we go to the next one. Okay, question 16. The figure show about the velocity time graph of the motion object. When does the object experience deceleration? Answer, please. Which part is a deceleration? Okay, which part is a deceleration? Give me the new person to answer it. Actually, there's a C. Okay, C is a 6 to 8. Okay, again, the same person. Got the others? 482 student. Ming Yao again, Yuki again, Chu also, Albert again. Dixon, are you here? Okay, no others. Just this about the 10 student like this only. Okay, Dorothy also C. Okay, I pin the answer for Dorothy lah. Okay, so the answer should be the C. Okay, should be the C. So the Dorothy answer is correct. That's a C. So we don't have others. So just only. Okay, so we go to the next part. We still got question or not? Okay, 17. I think this one should be the last one. Okay, let's see the 17. The ping pong ball is thrown upwards and fall back onto the cement floor. This one graph they show about the relationship between the velocity of the ball and the time. So I'm going to explain. When they throw forward, when starting, the velocity must be very high. When they go until very up, the velocity becomes 0. And come down, that means opposite direction, then your velocity will increase again. Okay? So from here, which one should be the answer? Okay, you just choose A, sure out. Because when starting, there's a 0. Okay, we cannot start from 0. Okay, this one also out. We cannot start from 0. When starting, the velocity should be very high. Okay, the answer give me there's a B. B means you are same direction. Can you see they're all above the graph? Above the graph means same direction. Okay, because the ball got move opposite direction. Can you see when it just down, then come up? That means this one is the same direction. So we want to talking is opposite direction. Okay, so think about that. Not B. The answer is not B. Elaine, they say C. Okay, now we go and see why there's a C. Okay, so I explain for C first. C, that means you see when starting, velocity is a height. Then when the object move until maximum, okay, maximum height already, they become 0. Because this part, they're ready to come down. Okay, when they just come down, that means now it's opposite direction. Okay, then we put negative. Okay, this one is a 0. You just ignore the negative because negative is opposite direction. So can you see 0 come down, the number still increasing, is it? -1, -2, -3. We ignore the negative, that means 1, 2, 3 also increasing. So that means from here, can you see the line keep go down? Means the number keep increasing. That means in opposite direction, the velocity keep increasing when there is a fall down. So that's a correct lah. When they fall down, the velocity must be increasing. Okay, so the answer from the Minyao, there's a C. Okay, now we're going to check. Okay, the answer here also is a C. Okay, then should be correct lah for this kind of the question. Okay, so from here, I think the time should be coming soon to be finished. So this one question I just show for you. Okay, how to answer is depend for yours. You got to think about that. The K-bar question. At the traffic light, both of the truck and motorcycle, they are stationary. Okay, when the light just turn about green, which one will move first? So this one you know lah, everybody know. Then you need to answer why. Okay, why? Okay, so from here, I just let you to think it, let you to answer it. Okay, then I want to fast because here got answer. Okay, but number 2. Okay, the diagram they show about the man that riding the motorbike on the road. They stay the way, then also increase the inertia of the motorcycle. How to make this motorcycle inertia become higher? So we think about the mass lah, is it? You want to make the inertia higher, that means the mass must be higher. So you think about the situation, how you want to increase the inertia. Okay, don't tell me you change about the motorcycle become the car. We don't want to change the situation. You just think about the situation, you act. After that, the inertia will be increased. Okay, so just give me the answer already. Add a passenger, that's a correct. Okay, add the passenger behind there lah. That means you bring one more person, you sit behind you. So the inertia should be increased because the mass increase. Okay, so this one question just want you to creative to think about that. Okay, so from here, my lesson just until here only. So every student, hopefully you understand about this summative practice. Okay, then the Google Meet, sorry, not Google Meet, there's a Google Classroom. I already give you the question there. Please, you go to log in and answer the 6 question objective. That one is your attendance. Okay, so thank you for your watching. Okay, bye. Okay, bye, everyone. Okay, so you just can leave the chat room. That means finish about this live class. Okay, welcome everyone.